ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is the molecule which provides energy to our body, and which is produced by the mitochondria in our body's cells. When we consume food and nutrients, these are broken down by the digestive process into smaller molecules that can easily be absorbed by the intestine. This allows the nutrients to pass into the bloodstream. Amongst all the products derived from the nutrients, glucose and oxygen are the most important in producing ATP. Glucose, which can be stored by the body in the stomach or in fatty tissue, produces ATP for our cells through the process of glycolysis. Oxygen, on the other hand, cannot be stored and must therefore be constantly available to our body, essentially through breathing. Yet oxygen is over 16 times more efficient at producing ATP than glucose, which is why it is so important for our body. Unfortunately, as the body ages, it becomes less efficient at processing the oxygen because of factors such as tissue decay and clogged arteries. As a result, hypoxia, or the lack of sufficient oxygen, often becomes a problem, and this can lead to poor physical performance and even illness. Breathing is the primary way to absorb oxygen, but drinking water with high, stable oxygen content is actually much more effective, because the oxygen is transported directly into the body's interstitial fluid through the digestive process and is immediately available to all the body's cells. Many years of research into the effects of drinking high oxygen content water have clearly demonstrated its benefits on physical performance, endurance, mental clarity, and strengthening of the immune system. Revitaqua now offers you the possibility of producing your own purified water with very high, stable oxygen content right at home, instead of having to buy bottled water and consume large quantities of plastic in doing so. You can simply create your own high oxygen content water and fill a glass whenever you want. The Revitaqua water tower was designed by a medical and engineering team with extensive experience in creating high oxygen content water. It uses a sophisticated filtration system and a brand new technical process that provides you with revitalizing water at the touch of a button. Most importantly, the Revitaqua process is entirely chemical-free, and no exterior source of oxygen or hydrogen is used. Ordinary tap water is purified and then transformed to increase its saturation in oxygen by up to 6 times. That's 16 milligrams per liter compared to only 3 at origin. Since the process uses no chemicals or additives, it is entirely safe and natural, and the additional hydrogen that results from the process also helps provide health benefits to combat free radicals and inflammation. Revitaqua is available worldwide. Just email us for details and a personalized quote.